Citizen AV0071-03A Promaster Tsuno Chronograph Racer Watch. Silvertone in black stainless steel case with a black leather strap. Silver dial with silvertone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display between 1 and 2 o'clock position. 4 subdials displaying 60-second, 60-minute, 12-hour, and power reserve indicator. Citizen Caliber Eco Drive E210 Eco Drive movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case size 45 millimeters. Buckle clasp. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions: chronograph, flyback, alarm, date, day, hour, minute, second, power reserve indicator. Solar powered sport watch style. Watch label: Japanese movement.